Hey, it's Scott here, your tour guide with Strolls and Stories Tours. We stroll through the charming New Mexico State University campus where we see historic buildings and museums. We learn about the famous architect of the Southwest, Henry Trost, who designed the master plan for the university and several of the historic buildings. We learn what Memorial Tower first housed. Oh, this is a good story. Learn the tale of Pistol Pete, the mascot of New Mexico State University, who happens to have been a real person. We stroll past Works Progress Administration funded public art from the Great Depression era, and so much more. All of this and so much more on our Strolls and Stories Tours Las Cruces Walking Tour, a self guided audio video tour that explores downtown Las Cruces, the historic town of Mazia, and New Mexico State University. Book today at strollsandstoriestours.com.